One was big,
One was big,
and one was bigger.
one was bigger,
But only one knew where was the biggest one.
Hey, aren't we gonna go to another room? Let's go!
Oh my! My friends left such a mess. Would you be alive and put the books back on the shelves where they belong? Here's a hint. I put all the books of the same color on the same shelf. That way, I know where to find them. Hello! Hello, lamb chops! I'm Mrs. Baggs. Welcome to the Fisher-Price Dream Dollhouse. It's just so full of fun things to do and lots of little children to play with. So, if you're running low on ideas, you just pick up the phone and give us a shout. Now, children, nobody likes a messy room. Please tidy up. Thank you. Hello, my angels. Cowboy Bob and I had a picture painted of us at the town fair. Can you find it? Now, Petunia, don't eat too many biscuits. You'll spoil your appetite for supper. Oh, thank heavens you found my knitting needles, love. I've been looking for those needles everywhere. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Oh, all my little ones love to play dress-up with Mummy's dress form. Now, take clothes out of the trunk and put them on the model. You know, I think the blue hat with the pink flower is just scrumptious. See if you can find it. Tea time, love lumps. Won't you be a darling and help Mrs. Baggs by feeding the baby?
Hey, could you guys keep it down in there? I'm trying to sleep.
Let me have some lemonade.
Cowboy Bob here, rounding up some fun for you little whippersnappers. Well, this here ranch has more surprises than you can shake a stick at. So mosey on into a room and start your clicking. You betcha. Say, y'all got any leftover victuals I can give to my horse, Sadie? Well, howdy, cowpokes. Cowboy Bob here wanting to tell you about my rough and ready shaving cream. It is flying fantastic. Yeehaw! Woo-ha! Now that there is a mighty handsome hat. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Hey, buckaroo, I hear one of my little outlaws got a boo-boo. Can you patch her up? Howdy, this is Cowboy Bob. I need you to be my deputy and follow these footprints.
Come on, let's go choose another room. Every room has a container full of surprises.
Hi there. Oh, I'm so glad Mrs. Baggs and Cowboy Bob came to visit. They always have such fun ideas.
Look inside the toy box for lots of fun.
Howdy, partner. It's Cowboy Bob here. I got a good one for you. Take the blocks out of the toy box. Build a bunkhouse for your partner, huh? Oh, my little angel, Mrs. Baggs here. Your favorite teddy wants a story. Which one shall we read?
What you doing? Choose a pet and find a place for it to sleep. What's inside the grocery bag?
Yippee-yi! Daddy went grocery shopping. Got some fine victuals. Help him by putting the groceries away. Hello, darling. It's Mrs. Baggs. The dolls would like to have a picnic. Don't forget the drinks. Oh, I am such a ninny. We have guests for dinner tonight. Please set the table and, oh my, whatever shall we serve?
Hello? Hello? The dog is hungry. Why don't you bring her into the kitchen and put some food in her dish? Hello? It's the baby's birthday. Find the present and the cake and give her a party.
Hello, Cupcake. Mrs. Baggs here. Are you busy? Would you like to decorate by putting some pictures on the walls? Hello, Pumpkin. It would be so lovely to help Turnabout and Sparkle change the living room into a playground. Oh, let's get some pillows and build a fort. Toodles!
Can you find a briefcase? Uh-oh. Dad lost his car keys. Where could they be? Look under things until you can find them. Then put them next to the briefcase. Hi, it's me. Do you want to have a pillow fight? Hi, it's me. Do you want to watch TV? Hi. Let's see what Turnabout can do with the stairs.
Thank you. You're very kind. Thank you. Check. 1, 2. 1, 2. Check. Testing. 1, 2, 3.
Holy macaroni! Let's jazz this place up.
Can you go through the hoop and back again? Can you go through the hoop and back again? Who else wants to go through the hoop?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Circus Mousimus. On the high wire, the amazing Mindy Mouse. Juggling on the unicycle, B. Nick Mouse. And now, Mousette.
Ew, asparagus ice cream tastes really gross. Strawberry ice cream tastes good. Chocolate ice cream is delicious. Jelly bean ice cream, my favorite. Gee, I'd sure love some ice cream.
You scream, I scream. We all scream for ice cream. Ice cream is definitely cool.
Hello. Welcome to our pool. The mouse pool rules are no running, no cats, and no cheese. Please follow these rules very carefully.
Watch me dive. Hey, did you see me? Did you see me dive? Yes, it was very, very good. The place to stay cool is in the mouse pool. Shh. Don't tell anybody that my friends and I live in the house too. We've left clues for you to find us in every room. See if you can find us, but remember, don't tell. Whee! My, what a beautiful day. I love watering the flowers.
Surprise! Hello there. Here I am. Hi, how are you? Guess who? Yoo-hoo. Peekaboo. Rise and shine.
Do you, MC Mouse E, take Mousette to be your mousefully wedded wife? Do you, Mousette, take MC Mouse E to be your mousefully wedded husband? You are hereby pronounced Mouse E and Mousette. You may now kiss.
I do.
I do.
Thank you for the flowers.
Oh.
You have an hour more to play before dinner.
Green boxes in this room are full of surprises.
Yeah, Cowboy Bob here. You know what? The baby loves to ride the rocking horse. Can you help the baby saddle up? Hello, darling Mrs. Baggs, you know. Would you be a love and help me? Can you feed and change the baby? Then put the little one to bed.
Hey, I know. Let's have a tea party for the dolls.
Hello, my darling. I have a splendid idea. Find Flora. She'd love to help you turn the room into a garden.
Let's have a pillow fight. Hey, I got an idea. Turnabout can make the bed really bouncy. All the kids can bounce on the bed. Find the trunk and look inside.
Hello, Hello, love lumps. Wonderful news. You've been invited to the Royal Mouse wedding. Read the invitation, find the mouse hole, and scoot along.
Uh-oh. Dad lost his car keys. Where could they be? Look under things until you find them. Put them next to his briefcase.
Change the channels on the TV. Find an animal that can fly and buzz. Bring in some kids and pets to watch the show.
Teddy wants a story. Get a book for him. Then tell him the story.
Help Turnabout and Sparkle change the living room into a playground. Get more pillows and build a fort. Listen to the song on the radio. Find the biggest whale. Make a whale parade with the biggest one first and the smallest one last.
Use Flora to turn the bathroom into a beach. Take the duck for a swim.
Can you find the 4 different ways to make bubbles in the bathroom? Bring in some children to play.
Help the children get ready for bed. Wash their faces. Don't forget to brush their teeth. Feed the baby. Then put the baby to sleep in the cradle.
Bring up some blocks. Build a station for the train.
Make an animal circus with the blocks and the toys. Bring in more dolls and clowns for the circus parade.
Use Sparkle and Turnabout to change the room into an outer space scene. Can you make the space shuttle take off?
Take the blocks out of the toy box. Build a house with walls and a roof.
The dolls would like to have a picnic. Get them some healthy things to eat. Don't forget the drinks.
Get 2 children to play in the room. Give them each the same number of toys. Count how many toys they have all together.
Bring in a new pet. Find the pet a place to sleep.
The kitten wants to play dress up too. Find the cowboy hat and put it on her head.
Use Turnabout to turn the bed into something bouncy. Then get some children. Give each child a turn to jump on the bed.
Read the invitation to the Royal Mouse wedding. Make the clock show 2 o'clock. Then find the mouse hole and go to the wedding.
Dad went grocery shopping. Help him by putting the groceries away.
2 people are coming to dinner tonight. Set the table with cups, plates, napkins, and silverware. Then put out some food.
It's the baby's birthday. Get a present for the baby. Bring in the cake and blow out the candles.
The dog is hungry. Bring her into the kitchen. Put some food in her dish.
Visit our ice cream factory. It's right behind those things people drink out of. Come see our cool treehouse. It's right behind the tree. At least it looks like a tree to us. Want to see our mouse circus? The train points to where our circus tent is hidden. Click on the mouse hole to come inside. Do you see that fire engine on the floor? It's my favorite way of getting around. See if you can't move it so you can come hear the band. Want to see where we swim? Just follow our tracks and look behind that big towel.
I am the mouse. We are the mice. This is our house. It's paradise. On the horn, you all know him. The Nick Mouse. On guitar, the beautiful, the talented Mousette. On the drums, come on, give it up for Minnie Mouse. For one night only, our very special guest, Sleepy Mouse. And me, that's right, I'm MC Mouse E.
No need to wear slippers to the Royal Mouse wedding. Just move them aside and come on in. The wedding's about to begin.
Hello there. Good to see you.
I'm happy to know you.
You're invited. The Mouse Prince and Princess are about to be wed in a hole by big drawers not too far from the bed. Please come to their hole when the alarm clock strikes 2. The royal mouse wedding can't start without you.
Now, my little puddings, don't forget to wash behind your ears.
Don't touch me. I'm very, very hot.
Surprise!